Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to show you the new DeWalt Compact 20-volt max bandsaw. Here it's cutting 1 5/8 inch 12 gauge strut. Today we have an honored guest from DeWalt who's going to show us a brand new compact atomic bandsaw.
Hey Bill, my name's Daniel and I'm the product manager for bandsaws for DeWalt. I'm here to walk you through the new DCS377 atomic bandsaw. It will have an 1 3/4 cut capacity, making it ideal for all the small diameter materials you'll find on the job site. It will come with a variable speed trigger as well as a speed dial, so you can tune in the cut as you're cutting harder materials such as stainless steel. The bare tool itself weighs about 6.6 pounds, and it'll be coming with the new DCB 240 compact 4-amp-hour battery, which weighs about 1.1 pound, which will then give an overall weight for the tool at 7.7 pounds.
That's incredible. That's amazing.
Yep, it's a great tool. It's a nice little compact, and it feels good in the hand. So with this tool, we have an integrated guard, so that makes it ideal for one-handed cuts, whether you got to reach out with it or if you want to do cuts overhead. The metal latches are for some added durability for the rugged environment. And as you see here, we have our 27-inch blade. Coming out of the box will be a 1418 TPI, but we will also be launching our own accessory kit 3-pack of 18 TPI blades that you'll find as an accessory kit at the start of 2021. Along with it on the inside, we have this brush. So that way, as you're cutting the metal shavings and they start gunking up on the wheel, this brush will help remove that material to make your saw more efficient, as well as to keep the blade on track. What we've also done is we have an integrated hang hook. So in between cuts, a lot of users ask, what do I do with the bandsaw? So we added this nice little hook. So that way, whether you're up in a scissor lift or if your cart next to you, you can make your cut, hang the saw, and then do what you got to do with your two hands. And then you can put it back and then start making your next cuts.
One-handed usage is really effective and useful for an electrician. That's what you really need. The 1 3/4, you know, it depends what kind of work you're doing, but that for a lot of jobs, that's enough.
Originally, we were planning for an 1 5/8 bandsaw.
Yeah.
You might even see some materials from the videos. But in the final design, we got the extra capacity because we wanted to give the ability to pivot into their strut to give you that nice clean cut into it.
And for the viewers, many kinds of strut are 1 5/8 inches wide. With a 1 3/4 capacity, it gives you that little extra you need to make a little quicker cut.
Yep, it also gives you a nice little bit line of sight. So that way, versus just having to be straight on trying to make the cut, this will go get you pivot, get your blade going, cut through the material, and then you can easily cut through the rest of it.
So when is this going to be available on the market?
So we're working towards a February 2021 launch date, and you'll be able to find it at most of your distributors out there.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Daniel.
No problem. Thank you, Bill. And I'm excited to get this all in the marketplace for you all and let you get your hands on it to give us your own review as well.
Yeah, I really do want to use it for sure. This new bandsaw can achieve from 150 to 380 surface feet per minute with the blade, and it also features a variable speed trigger. The bare tool will cost about $199, and the kit with the 4-amp-hour battery and the charger and the bag will be about $299. I'll put links in my video description for the bare tool and for the kit when they become available. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.